Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the new Outdoor Vitals Shadowlight backpack. If you are new here, welcome to the Hike Oregon channel. I make hiking and backpacking vlogs as well as gear reviews and just general tips and tricks videos to help you become a more confident hiker and backpacker. If you enjoy content like that, click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a new video. And if you want more content from me, you can support me over on Patreon, where for as little as just $1, you get extra content throughout each month. All right, guys, I have not opened this yet. I've had it for a couple of weeks and I've been waiting for a time to film this video. So I get to open the backpack today. I'm so excited. This is Outdoor Vitals' brand new Shadowlight backpack. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have had their original Shadowlight backpack for many, many years. Basically, right when it first came out, I got to try it out, and I have been backpacking with that pack for many years now, and they just came out with a new model, so they've updated some things on the Shadowlight, and let's take a look. You're a good boy. Alright, I got it in gray, as you can see. Super cool. So as I'm showing you the things on the backpack, I'll just kind of put down here some of the things that have been updated, some of the things that are new. Okay, one of the things I notice right off the bat is the part that sits against your back. Another thing that I notice right off the bat are the pockets are a different stretchy fabric. This looks a lot more durable. The other stuff was just mesh. So this is super durable, it looks like. And one thing that I read about is that these side pockets and the outside pockets are a lot bigger. So this is a 60-liter backpack with all of the side pockets. It has a hose hole right here if you are taking a water bladder, which is really nice. Wow, this looks so sturdy. This is really nice. Also, the other backpack I don't think had these extra loops to hang stuff off of. So it has loops at the bottom here and here, so you could hang something on the bottom if you have like a little tiny bungee cord or something. You just clip it and then you can attach something to the bottom as well as the top. So that's really nice. Oh God, buddy. Hi. I think this might be longer too. This is definitely adjustable and a little bit different. So it has a strap on top so you can put things on top of your backpack. The inside to me looks very similar. I will say I feel like the fabric is also different. It feels a lot more durable and possibly even water resistant. The other fabric felt a little bit more lightweight. But again, I will put all of the details and everything in as I'm saying things. It has the same loop here to hang stuff. These side pockets are huge, I will say. And the little drawstrings are definitely a lot sturdier, which is nice when putting things in outside pockets. The hip belt pockets I feel like are a lot bigger than the other backpack. And there's 2 of them, which is great. I got a size small in both the hip belt and the backpack. So what I like is that you can kind of customize, even if you need a small torso size but a bigger hip belt, you can get a small torso size and like a medium or a large hip belt, or vice versa. Let's say you're really tall but have a really tiny waist, you could get a small or even an extra small hip belt, and then a medium or a large torso length. So you can definitely customize it, which is awesome. And it is so lightweight. That is one thing I love about these backpacks, is that they're just so lightweight. I did not use my older Shadowlight this summer just because I was brand new off my back surgery and wasn't sure how my back was going to carry the weight. And because the other Shadowlight, the back padding was definitely not as good as this padding, I did not use it this past summer. But this padding and the inside, the rods, the way they are shaped, this is definitely more ergonomical than the other Shadowlight. So I think this will definitely be able to work for my back. So the feature of the middle zipper, you can see the middle unzips. That can be a good or bad thing. Some people don't want that. I have found it handy. Sometimes, the way you pack is not ideal. If you need an item midday and it's at the bottom of your backpack, then it's super convenient to unzip a little spot and just stick your hand in and grab it instead of having to unpack your entire backpack. It has Velcro here and it is a roll top. So you just roll it and then flip it. I feel like the clips are bigger and sturdier too. I don't know. This is a quality backpack. More impressed than I am with the old one because that one has lasted years and years. But this feels durable. This feels super durable. Wow, I love this and I'm so excited to try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and the link for the Shadowlight will be in the more info box below. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of gear you would like me to review in the near future. If you don't already, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. That's where I post all of my recent hiking and backpacking adventure pictures. And if you want to hike and backpack here in this amazing state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net. You'll find tons of hiking and backpacking information there. And this time of year, you can check out all of my fall foliage hiking posts, as well as posts about a lot of different waterfall hikes here in Oregon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next adventure.